How does Black Bolt sneeze without killing everyone around him? His voice isn't just loud, it's a devastating weapon. A whisper can flatten mountains, a shout could crack a continent. The slightest vocalization channels electrons from the speech center of his brain into destructive hypersonic waves. But sneezing or coughing, they don't activate the speech center of his brain. Black Bolt's power comes specifically from the part of his brain that processes language and conscious vocalization, not from involuntary reactions. Through decades of Inhuman meditation techniques, he's developed perfect control over his vocal cords. Even in sleep, even under torture, his discipline never wavers. The real danger comes when he's sick or injured. That's when the royal family evacuates to their moon base as a precaution. Because if one word slips mid-sneeze, the result wouldn't be sound, it would be extinction.